Good morning, students. Hope you all are in good health. As we have already completed one activity on group 1 sounds, which are s, a, t, I, p, n. Today, I am going to discuss with you about the position of the target sounds. Every word has 3 target sounds. First, the initial sound, which comes from the starting of the word, the middle sound, which comes from the center of the word, and the ending sound, which comes from the end of the word. Today I am going to discuss only about 2 sounds, which are s and a. For example, sun. Sound is coming from the starting of the word. Cursive. Cursive. Sound is coming from the center of the word. Bus. Bus. Sound is coming from the end of the word. Now we will take another sound, which is a sound. In a sound, I'll take one word, ant. Ant. A sound is coming from the starting of the word. Let's take another example. Bag. Bag. A sound is coming from the center of the word. Now, a question for you. Can you find a sound which has a as the ending sound? Guess it out. No, there is no word which has a as the ending sound. Have a nice learning. Thank you.